beautiful people, it's Jess and I'm here with a new video. In today's video, we will be doing a cash stuffing of $211. If you enjoy watching cash stuffings, please stay tuned to watch the video. If this is your first time here, I welcome you to become a subscriber and follow me on my debt-free journey. If you are returning, thank you so much for coming back to my channel and watching my videos. I really do appreciate it. Please feel free to leave comments down below with any questions that you may have, and let's get started. I have my cash in my little envelope, and then I have my cash breakdown card that I made. Put that to the side along with the envelope, and then as always I like to count the money just to make sure we're on the right track. My money is all over the place. So, and we're have my tray here. So let's see. So I have 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 145, 150, 155, 160, 165, 170, 175, 180, 185, 190, 195, 200, 201, 202, 203, 204, 205, 206, 207, 208, 209, 210, $211, which is the amount that we are stuffing. I'm gonna go ahead and put it here so that I know. And then, as always, I'm gonna fix the money and put it in the tray. I think for the most part it's fixed, but we're starting off with my cash envelopes. I have my treats and my gas. Treats isn't getting any this week. So for gas, we're doing $40 as always. With our $40, we're gonna do 120 and 2 10s this week. So 20, 30, and 40. So our $40 for the week. I'm gonna put that to the side. So that's that. I'm gonna put this to the side. Then we're gonna start with our variable expenses. So I'm gonna take out my Luna binder. This is where I keep all my variable expenses that I tend to use often that aren't as long-term. So this is Luna. Starting off with groceries, we do have some money left over in groceries, and we have a 5 and 2 1s. I'm gonna put this to the side. I'm not gonna roll it over because I want to put it towards my savings challenge. If you saw my last video with the saving challenge update, I gave you the totals for the quarter. I didn't do as well as I thought I should have personally, and that's because I haven't really been doing this, putting money to the side to put it towards those challenges after I get change back. So that's what I'm gonna do. These $7 are gonna go towards my challenge. So I'm gonna grab that right now and put it in there so I don't forget. So I tend to just kind of collect the money in here, and then I've been filming them together after I get a good quantity. And that's kind of been working out, so I probably will continue that. So that's groceries. For spending, so groceries, I'm skipping it. So groceries, we're starting off with a balance of 0. And then for groceries, we're doing $100. All right, so we're starting off with 0, and then I'm doing $100 as usual, and we're gonna do, I think we're gonna do 20, 40, 60, 70, 80. I'm gonna do 3, 90, and then 2 5s, 100. So I have 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, 100. So $100 for groceries. Then next, so then we added 100, and that gives us a total of 100. So next up, we're gonna do spending. So for spending this week, we're doing $13. So I'm gonna do 2 5s and 3 1s. So it looks like I can only go to Dollar Tree this week. So I did make 2 online purchases, so I really don't need anything, so it makes sense why this is empty. That was spending. We're doing $13. We started off with 0. We added 13, and we have a total of 13. So next up is family, and in family we currently have 25, 26. So we are starting off with 26. And we are adding into family, we are adding $10. So I'm gonna just grab that 10. So now we have 36. So 20, 35, and 6. $36. So next up we have beauty, and in our beauty fund, we currently have 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we have $12. We are adding into our beauty this week. We're adding 5. So I'm going to grab a 5. So we currently have 5, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. $17. And we have a while to go before we can get a manicure or pedicure. So we'll continue saving so we can do that. Next up we have kids, and our kids fund, we currently have $6. So in kids we are adding $9 this week. So we're gonna do a 5, and then 6, 7, 8, 9. So we currently have 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So $15. We added a 9, and we have a total of $15. Next up we have clothes, and in our clothes fund we currently have a 10. And we're not adding anything, so we are at $10. Kenpa is next. Kenpa currently has 5, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. $19. We are adding to Kenpa $3. So 1, 2, 3. So 19, 20, 21, 22. So $22 for Kenpa. And Kenpa is definitely ready for a bill exchange. Gifts. Gifts is getting, well, Gifts currently has, I guess we should see how much it has first. 20, 40, 45, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53. So 53. We are adding $1. So we have 54. Ooh. And my nephew's birthday is coming up, so I know that we're gonna probably use this for his gift. 20, 40, 45, 7, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53. Wait, what? Okay, so the $1 I didn't add. $1, so 54. Next up we have investing. And investing this week is getting $5. But we should count how much we currently have. We have 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 71, 72. So we have 72. We are adding 5. Let me get that. So we add a 5. So we currently have 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 76, 77. So 77. And we're on our way to 100. That's it for our variable expenses. Moving on to my purple binder. This is my more long-term binder. Long-term goals sort of binder, sinking funds. So we're going to stuff just a few. I have a little bit of money, so I'm just stuffing a few sinking funds from here. So starting off with our car fund. With our car fund, I am stuffing $15. So I'm gonna do all 5 since that's all I have. So 5, 10, 15. So 15. I'm gonna just have the car. So currently, I did have an oil change. Had to do an oil change. I did not know that oil changes were so expensive. To the point where I'm going to watch YouTube videos and learn how to change my own oil, because it was double what I expected it to be. And I don't know, maybe I'm just, I mean, I'm not a car person, I'll be the first one to say, but I didn't think that I don't feel it should cost that much to change the oil. So 100, 200, 220, 240, 260, 270, 275, 280, 285, 290, 295. So 295 is how much we currently have, and we are adding 15. Oh, we already added the $15. So let's go back. Sorry, technical difficulties. This is what I get for blabbing. Okay, let me take out the 15 and count it real quick, guys. I think it's like it's probably 280, but 100, 200, 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, 80. Okay, I was right, 280. So we are going to erase this. We're gonna put 280. Then we are going to add 15. And then that gave us the 295, right? So 80, so it's 80, 85, 90, 95. So we're good.
So yeah, I had to get tires, I had to get oil changed, so my car fund has definitely come in handy. Next up, we're gonna do, we're gonna go out to Aria's fund. Aria is getting $5 this week, and she currently has for 2 out, so 100. Wishful thinking. 50, 100, 120, 140, 150, 160, 165, 170. So she has 170 currently. We're adding $5. So she's gonna have 175. And I don't know what happened there. So her 5, 175. Then my son has a sinking fund as well. I still have his in an envelope. I've been saying this for a while. I really have to like sit down and do it. I do have to create a zippered envelope for him in that purple binder along with myself and my husband's. I just kind of want to cater it towards them, so we'll see what I come up with. So he has his 2 as well, which I don't count with the total even though it is cash, but I have 50, 100, 120, 130, 140, 150, 155, 160, 165, 170. So I have 170, and then has the same as his sister, 170. I'm adding $5 to his account as well. So then he has 175, just like his older sister. So we're gonna put that back.
So that's it. Thanks for watching my video. If you're interested in watching more similar content, please feel free to click on the videos coming up in my end card. Please subscribe to watch any new content that I bring out. And in the comments below, feel free to let me know what you are currently saving for. And I will catch you on the next one. Bye.